All right, so looks like we're doing a deep dive into Solana meme coins today.
Yeah, lots of listener interest lately.
Definitely seems like everyone's looking for that next big 100x play, huh?
Absolutely. And you guys sent in a ton of stuff
We did.
from some pretty big names in the meme coin space, too.
Yeah, we got Orangey Web 3 in there, the finance value guy, and the crypto king.
All bringing some serious knowledge to the table.
Sure, sure. So let's dive in, see what we can learn, and maybe find some alpha for our listeners along the way.
Sounds good to me. One thing I find interesting is how each of these YouTubers kind of has their own unique approach to meme coins. You
Yeah.
know, like Orangey is all about speed and hype.
Mm-hmm.
The finance value guy brings the technical analysis, and the crypto king is all about due diligence.
Like they each have a piece of the puzzle.
Exactly. And by combining those pieces, we can get a more well-rounded picture of this crazy market.
I love that it's like we're assembling the ultimate meme coin playbook.
Haha, yeah, something like that.
So speaking of speed and hype, Orangey claims he turned $250 into $80,000
Wow.
in just 10 days trading Solana meme coins.
10 days!
10 days. And he uses some specific tools like Phantom Wallet,
Right.
Raydium, and some called Bucks.
Okay, so Phantom Wallet is basically your gateway to the Solana ecosystem.
Okay.
It's where you store and manage your Solana and all those meme coins you'll be buying and selling.
Gotcha.
Raydium is a decentralized exchange, so it's basically like a high-speed trading platform where you can swap tokens quickly and cheaply.
So kind of like a specialized stock market just for Solana.
Exactly. And then Bucks seems to be like a more specialized platform for meme coins specifically.
So even more niche than Raydium.
Yeah, probably with some real-time data and charting tools built in.
Tools are important, but as they say, a fool with a tool is still a fool.
Haha, for sure.
So Orangey also talks about these guaranteed money plays, which always makes me a little skeptical.
Yeah, gotta be careful with those.
He's big on following crypto Twitter influencers like Mello and Razor.
I've heard of those guys.
And he tells this crazy story about how Brian Armstrong's wedding photo sparked a whole meme coin frenzy.
Oh, yeah, I remember that one.
Like, how much power do these influencers actually have?
More than you might think. It's crazy how these personalities can create these meta trends that literally drive the meme coin market.
Wild.
Remember that Bella coin that blew up a while back?
I don't think so.
It was literally based on a dog.
A dog?
Yeah, a dog that appeared for like a second in a Solana YouTube video.
What?
2 different Bella meme coins popped up and both hit 500K market caps.
No way.
Yeah, it's wild. That's the power of influence in this space.
So you're telling me I could make bank off a 1-second clip of my cat?
Haha, maybe, but probably not.
Worth a shot, right?
Well, anyway, Orangey also talks about being patient and joining multiple alpha groups.
Oh, yeah. He says he's in at least 10 himself.
10!
At least 10. What's the deal with these alpha groups anyway?
So basically, alpha groups are all about getting that inside information, you know.
Like insider trading?
Kinda, but not illegal. It's more about getting those early tips and signals that can give you an edge in the market.
So they're kind of like exclusive clubs for meme coin traders.
Yeah, exactly. They're where experienced traders share their knowledge and help each other spot opportunities before everyone else.
Sounds kind of like what we do here at PumpPanda, right?
Yeah, I mean, that's the whole point of our Telegram group, right?
Exactly. We're always sharing our analysis insights and those all-important trading signals.
It's the kind of edge that can really make a difference in this fast-paced market.
For sure. I mean, anyone can buy a meme coin, but knowing when to buy and sell, that's the real key.
Exactly, and that's where having a good community and solid information comes in.
Couldn't agree more. It's like having a VIP pass to the meme coin casino.
Something like that. But we also encourage our members to do their own research. You know, we don't want people just blindly following signals.
Right, we're about empowering people to become successful traders.
Exactly, not just telling them what to buy.
Okay, so let's switch gears a bit and get into some technical analysis.
Sounds good.
The finance value guy, in his video, he goes deep into charting, and he really likes the 1-hour and 4-hour charts.
Yeah, those are good time frames for getting a clearer picture of the market.
What's so special about those specific time frames?
Well, shorter time frames, like the 5-minute chart, can be really noisy, you know,
Yeah,
full of false signals, head fakes, all that.
makes sense.
The 1-hour and 4-hour charts, they give you a better sense of the overall trend.
So it's like zooming out to see the bigger picture.
Exactly, and it helps filter out some of that volatility that meme coins are known for.
Okay, so less noise, more signal.
Right, he uses the Chad Cap coin as an example,
Okay,
showing how you can draw support lines on these charts to find good buying and selling zones.
so it's a roadmap for the market even when things are crazy.
Yeah, exactly. By understanding support and resistance levels, you can identify those key price points where the market's likely to turn.
Kind of like predicting where the ball's going to bounce.
Haha, yeah, something like that. It's a fundamental concept in technical analysis, and it can be applied to any asset, really, stocks, crypto, meme chains, you name it.
Okay, so I'm starting to see how charting can give you an advantage.
It definitely can.
He also talks about this pattern called an ascending triangle.
Oh, yeah, that's a classic.
Sounds kind of complicated, though.
It's not too bad once you get the hang of it. Basically, you have a horizontal line at the top, like a ceiling the price keeps hitting.
Okay.
And then a diagonal line sloping upwards, kind of like a floor that's getting higher with each bounce.
All right, I can picture that.
That's your ascending triangle, and it usually signals that buyers are getting more aggressive.
So like a toiled spring ready to pop.
Exactly, and if the price breaks out above that ceiling, it could mean a big move to the upside.
How big are we talking?
Well, he showed an example where this pattern pointed to a potential 50–60% jump.
Wow, that's a pretty good return.
Yeah, but remember, no pattern is a guaranteed win, especially with min chains.
Right, of course.
But the ascending triangle, when it's confirmed by other indicators in the overall market context, you can be a really powerful signal.
So it's not just about the pattern itself, it's about the whole picture.
Exactly. That's why the finance value guy emphasizes learning these patterns and really understanding the fundamentals of technical analysis.
Okay, so it's like having a secret decoder ring for the meme coin market.
Haha, I like that analogy.
So we've got Orangey with his speed and hype and the finance value guy with his charts and pattern.
Two very different approaches.
Now let's move on to our third YouTuber, the Crypto King.
This guy's a beast.
He's all about speed and efficiency. He uses this platform called Bullux and talks about pump vision.
Yeah, he's definitely focused on those early stage price pumps where the gains can be massive if you time it right.
So he's like a meme coin sniper.
Haha, yeah, something like that. And Bullux seems to be his weapon of choice.
What is Bullux exactly?
It's a platform that aggregates all the key data on new meme coin launches.
Like what kind of data?
Developer holdings, insider activity, trading volume, all that stuff.
So you can quickly see which coin have potential.
Exactly. It's like having a high-powered radar for meme coin launches.
That's pretty cool. But even with all that technology, he still stresses the importance of due diligence, right?
Oh, absolutely. He walks through a whole checklist of things to look for before buying a meme coin.
Like what kind of things?
Well, for starters, he checks the project's social media.
For red flags.
Exactly, like copy posts or low follower counts, anything that seems fishy.
So it's not just about the numbers, you got to look at the bigger picture.
Right, and he also analyzes something called wallet bundles.
Wallet bundles, what are those?
Basically, it's about understanding how the tokens are distributed.
Okay.
Are they concentrated in the hands of a few whales, or are they more evenly spread out?
So you don't want to see a bunch of whales holding all the tokens.
Exactly, because if they decide to sell, it could tank the price.
That makes sense. So you're looking for a more decentralized distribution?
Right, more evenly spread out, which usually indicates a healthier project.
Okay, so check the social media, check the wallet bundles. What else?
He also looks for something called Folin.
Folin, I've never heard of that.
Yeah, it's a new one to me too. Apparently, it's an indicator that flags meme coins that have paid for promotion on a site called Dexscreener.
Interesting. So if a coin has Folin, it means they're trying to artificially pump the price.
Potentially, yeah. The Crypto King is all about separating the real opportunities from the scams and pump and dump schemes.
Makes sense. He's not just chasing hype, he's actually doing his research.
Exactly. He's looking for projects with some legitimacy and staying power.
This guy's like a meme coin detective.
Ha ha ha, pretty much. And to top it all off, he even uses the Fibonacci tool to time his entries and exits.
Fibonacci, now we're getting really fancy.
I know, right? The Fibonacci tool is a classic technical indicator. It's based on this sequence of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones.
Okay, I'm following so far.
And traders use this sequence to identify potential support and resistance levels.
So it's like using math to predict the future of meme coins.
Haha, kinda. But of course, no indicator is perfect.
Right.
But the Fibonacci tool, combined with other indicators and a solid understanding of the market, can give you an edge.
So it's another tool in the toolbox.
Exactly. And the Crypto King seems to be a master of using all these different tools together.
It's impressive for sure. He also talks about this tool called Nova Trade.
Oh yeah, that one's for the speed demons.
How so?
Basically, it allows you to execute trades super fast, like in milliseconds.
Milliseconds, wow.
Which can be crucial in the meme coin market where things move so quickly.
So you got to be quick on the draw.
Exactly. Nova Trade seems to be designed for experienced traders who are comfortable with high-frequency trading and scalping.
So not for the faint of heart.
Definitely not. It's for those who live and breathe the markets and are constantly looking for those tiny little price movements to capitalize on.
Okay, so we've got the speed and hype, we've got the charts and patterns, and now we've got the high-frequency trading.
It's a lot to take in, I know.
But I'm curious, how does the Crypto King reconcile this fast-paced trading style with the idea of building a long-term portfolio?
That's where his trench bag strategy comes in.
Trench bag, that sounds interesting.
It is. It's basically a way to combine short-term trading with long-term investing.
Okay, I'm listening.
So he uses a dedicated portion of his capital for those quick meme coin trades, constantly cycling through opportunities and taking profits.
Like playing the slots.
Yeah, kind of. But then he uses those profits to build a separate portfolio of long-term holds.
Projects he believes in.
Exactly. Projects with real potential that he thinks could grow significantly over time.
So it's like playing two different games at the same time.
Yeah, a high-stakes poker game for those quick wins, and then a long-term chess match for building wealth.
I like that analogy. It's a smart strategy.
And it aligns perfectly with what we advocate here at PumpPanda.
How so?
We're all about finding those 100x opportunities and holding them for the long haul.
Right.
But we also recognize the value of strategic short-term trading to capitalize on market volatility.
So it's about finding the right balance.
Exactly. You got to be able to adapt to the market and use different strategies depending on the situation.
So speaking of long-term holds, the Crypto King mentions a few specific projects he's bullish on.
Yeah, like Trench AI and Griffin.
What are those all about?
Well, Trench AI is building an AI agent that's designed to automate meme coin trading.
Wait, what? An AI that can trade meme coins?
Yeah, basically it analyzes market data, identifies patterns, and executes trades all automatically.
So like a robo-trader for meme coins.
Exactly. It takes the emotion out of trading.
Wow, that's pretty wild. And what about Griffin?
Griffin is building an infrastructure for AI agents, not just for trading, but for a whole range of applications.
So like a platform for building AI tools.
Exactly. The Crypto King mentioned potential use cases in e-commerce due diligence and even getting you a bottle of whiskey.
An AI that can get me whiskey.
Apparently so. It sounds pretty cool.
That's amazing. It sounds like AI is going to revolutionize everything.
It really does, and it's happening right now on Solana.
This is why I love this space. It's always moving so fast, always something new and exciting.
For sure. It's definitely an exciting time to be involved in crypto.
Okay, so let's recap what we've learned from our three meme coin gurus.
Sounds good.
We've got Orangey Web3, the master of speed and hype.
Riding the waves of influencer trends and alpha group signals.
Then we've got the finance value guy, our technical analysis expert, showing us how to use charts and patterns to our advantage.
And finally, we've got the Crypto King, our due diligence master, using all the latest tools and strategies to find those hidden gems.
So three very different approaches, but all with the same goal.
Making money in the meme coin market.
Exactly. So where does this leave you, our listener?
Well, I think the key takeaway is that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to meme coin trading.
Right. It's about finding what works best for you, your risk tolerance, and your goals.
Exactly. Whether you're a speed demon like Orangey, a chart wizard like the finance value guy, or a due diligence master like the Crypto King, the most important thing is to never stop learning.
This market's constantly evolving, so you got to stay ahead of the curve.
And that's where the PumpPanda Podcast comes in.
Exactly. We're here to help you navigate this wild world.
Providing insight strategies and those all-important signals to guide you on your journey to meme coin mastery.
And don't forget about our Telegram group.
Yeah, that's where we share our most exclusive signals and connect with a community of like-minded traders.
The link is in the show notes, so be sure to check it out.
We'd love to have you join us.
All right, so here you have it, your deep dive into the world of Solana meme coins.
Hopefully you learned a thing or two.
Remember, knowledge is your best weapon in this exciting but volatile market.
Do your research, manage your risk, and never be afraid to ask questions.
And most importantly, have fun.
Until next time, happy trading. Yeah, it sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, AI doing your tours and fetching you drinks.
Sign me up for that. But on a serious note, this is some mind-blowing stuff. It really seems like AI is going to change everything, even something as crazy as meme coin trading.
It really does feel like we're on the cusp of a whole new era, and it's all happening right now on Solana.
And that's why we love this space. It's just so innovative and fast-paced, always pushing the boundaries.
For sure. I mean, these projects like Trench AI and Griffin, they're attracting some serious talent and investment.
Yeah, it's not just about funny dog pictures and internet hype anymore.
Nope, this is serious business.
Okay, so let's bring it all together. What have we learned from our three meme coin gurus today?
All right, let's recap.
So we've got Orangey Web3. He's all about speed and hype, riding those influencer waves and alpha group signals.
Right. He's shown us the importance of being connected and informed in this fast-paced market.
Then we've got the finance value guy, our chart wizard, teaching us how to use technical analysis to our advantage.
He's all about having a plan and sticking to it even when the market gets crazy.
And finally, we've got the Crypto King, our due diligence expert, using all the latest tools and strategies to find those hidden gems.
He's teaching us that knowledge is power even in a market like meme coins.
So three very different approaches, but all leading to the same goal.
Finding those profitable trades.
Exactly. So what's the main takeaway for our listeners?
I think the biggest lesson here is that there's no one right way to trade meme coins, you know?
Right, you got to find what works for you, your own risk tolerance and your own goals.
Exactly. And no matter what your style is, the most important thing is to never stop learning.
This market's always changing, so you got to stay ahead of the curve.
And that's where we come in.
The PumpPanda Podcast.
We're here to help you navigate the wild world of meme coins.
We provide the insights, the strategies, and most importantly, those sweet, sweet trading signals.
And don't forget to join our Telegram group.
Yeah, that's how the real magic happens.
We share our most exclusive signals, connect with other traders, and just have a good time talking about all things crypto.
The link is in the show notes, so make sure to check it out.
We'd love to have you join our community.
All right, so there you have it, folks, our deep dive into Solana meme coins.
Hope you enjoyed the ride.
Remember, knowledge is your best weapon in this market. Do your research, manage your risk, and never stop learning.
And have fun out there.